tribes in Nigeria that their girls have the best ringtone. Are you kidding? Number 3, the Igbo girls.
Let's have it.
And if you did knock them and your cucumber reach where you not supposed to reach, you go here. Bella.
So the polori buruku woman.
If you not leave them, they will not sing for you. Akaya. Are you kidding? Number 2,
It's okay.
the Yoruba girls. Those one, if you did knock them, their ringtone will make you come 10 times. You go there, Ola. You're doing boy, see me low. Buy me, Only me need me more. Only some men are you kidding? Number 1, the tribe that has the best ringtone of all time.
Let's have it.
The Hausa girls. If you knock them and you are good, no matter who you are, they're going to call you Alaji. Even without going to Mecca, if your dick is good very well, you go to hear, why yo? That is Alaji. Those are the best tribe in Nigeria that has the best ringtone. Are you kidding? Ringtone.
When I want to explain it, my head will be headache. Yeah.
Fine. Ringtone. Say we.
I will not be on. Olori.